In corso il posticipo dell'11ª giornata di Serie A, Bologna-Cagliari. Il risultato parziale vede il Bologna in vantaggio di un gol, rete al 66esimo minuto. Vi aggiorneremo nel corso del programma. Domani torna la Champions League. Nel gruppo H la Juventus affronta lo Zenit, già battuto 2 settimane fa in Russia grazie ad un gol di Kulusevski. La Juventus arriverà agli ottavi di Champions con 2 turni di anticipo in caso di ulteriore vittoria e di mancata affermazione del Malmö sul Chelsea. Nel gruppo F l'Atalanta affronta invece il Manchester United a Bergamo. Oggi si svolgerà la Melbourne Cup, gara ippica australiana per eccellenza. La cosiddetta Race That Stops the Nation si terrà oggi alle 15 di fronte ad un pubblico ridotto a 10.000 persone presso il Flemington Race Course. Oggi per la giornata di oggi a Perth, piogge sparse, una massima di 20 gradi. A Adelaide possibile pioggia in serate, 33 la massima. A Melbourne giornata di sole, 30 gradi. A Hobart prevalentemente soleggiato, 23 gradi. A Canberra parzialmente nuvoloso, 24. A Sydney prevalentemente soleggiato, 25. A Brisbane sole, 25. A Cairns piogge sparse, 31. A Darwin piogge sparse e possibili temporali, 35 gradi la massima.
Questo giornale radio e il programma che seguirà possono essere riascoltati accedendo al sito sbs.com.au/Italian. Il prossimo 3 dicembre si terranno
sure how far we are, but yeah, actually very close. I can see the ocean in front of us, 12 o'clock down the bay. Not sure you guys can see through the camera. Between the end of the trees on the horizon, on the mountains, beautiful. Let's say should be around here somewhere. Offload Road. Now we have to check. That's the only address I have. Offload Road. So we have to check for a BMD construction site. So we're gonna cruise along this road until we see a construction site, which hopefully will have a fence and a sign stating BMD. Fingers crossed that it's that we don't have the wrong informations, or they give us the wrong informations by mistake. Sometimes miscommunication happens. You can see a big constructions, like the boss said, BMD is a big construction company. Indeed, it looks big, that site. Beautiful. Target inside. Target inside. Let's see which way we have to get in now. Yeah, I don't think it's this one. Well guys, I'm gonna turn off here because I'm not sure. Let's see that guy. It is reversing all the way. No, that guy's getting loaded, so it's not here, so I'm sure it will be a different one. See this lady.
How are you?
Yeah, good yourself?
I'm good, thank you. Sir, this job site is COVID vaccine mandatory. Did you take any vaccine?
No.
No?
No.
So you cannot enter?
Okay, so I cannot tip here?
You have a delivery?
Yes, we have to offload.
Offload?
Yeah.
What did you have here inside?
Topsoil from another construction site.
Okay, which company are you from?
Pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
I think you're going to MPM, right?
MPM?
Because one guy from Pink come here today, but he's another job site in the top. Wasn't here.
Oh, no idea that. Hang on. Let's see. So what would you like to know in specific, the job that I'm